In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Housecall Pro's new Estimate Templates feature. This handy update helps you speed up estimating, keep pricing consistent, and present clean, professional proposals to your customers. Let's start from your account's homepage. From here, open the price book. Inside the price book, look for Estimate Templates. This is your central hub for organizing and building reusable templates. Before you create your first template, it helps to organize them by category. Click Category, then give your category a clear, descriptive name, something like HVAC, plumbing, or seasonal specials, depending on what you offer. You can add an image if you want a visual marker, which is especially useful when you have a lot of categories. When you're happy with it, click Save. Next, click the category you just created to open it. Inside, click the plus button for a new template. You'll see a field for a template name that's internal only. Your customers will never see this. Use a name that makes it easy for your team to find the right template later, such as Water Heater Standard Install or Spring Tune-Up Tier 2. Below that, add the name your customer will see. Make it friendly and clear so it reads well on the estimate. Add a helpful description to set expectations or highlight what's included. You can also attach an image to give your estimate a polished look. Now add your services and materials. This is where you build the actual contents of the estimate. Include each service line and the related materials so everything you typically use is already preloaded. Don't forget to enter the unit prices for each item. Accurate unit pricing is what allows this template to generate consistent totals for you later, which saves time and avoids mistakes. Once you've entered everything you need, click Save. Your new template is now stored under that category and ready to use whenever you build an estimate. The next time you create an estimate, just pick the template and it will populate the items, descriptions, and pricing you set here. If you need to make changes later, it's simple. Find the template in your category, click the three dots on the right, and choose to edit or delete. Editing lets you keep your pricing and descriptions up to date as your services evolve. That's how to use Housecall Pro's new Estimate Templates feature. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload.